Okay, here's the Garmin mount. It's made with a tough ABS, 3D printed, and it's shockproof. It won't shatter that easily. It will endure temperatures up to 100 degrees Celsius, so it won't just melt under the heat of the sun. It's copied from the original Garmin. It's compatible with Garmin. Okay, you can see the wing clips on the sides, and at the bottom this is how it looks like. It's hollow. So if you want to know how to attach this on the Garmin, I'll refer you to the YouTube tutorial. Okay, what I'm going to show you is the quality test of the accuracy of the dimensions. I'm going to show you that it snaps safely when you clip it on your Garmin mount. Okay, hold on. Okay, and here is the Garmin mount that I bought from Lazada. Okay, so please take note of the clips. Okay, that should fit with the groove here. Okay, so if that line there is different from this groove, it won't clip. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we will clip this. Okay, I'm going to rotate it about 90 degrees and you will hear the snap. Okay, there, you heard it. So now it's safely clipped. So you want to remove your Garmin, let's say you want to remove it, you rotate it again by 90 degrees. Okay, it's a bit hard. Okay, there you go. So you want to clip it again. You'll hear a snap. Okay. Remove, rotate. Okay, so this is your 3D printed Garmin mount clip. Only 50 pesos for you guys. Okay, just want to help you out. Okay, so it's available via COD, LBC. Sorry, I don't do meetups. Okay, so just PM me when you need it, and good luck in your race, guys.